Morning students, subject grammar, class 4th, chapter 10. Yes students, I already have explained you the chapter 10 many more topics. Today we are taking the another topic. In previous video I explained you about the past continuous tense. Okay, now today we are going to do some exercises of the past continuous tense. So let us start. Question A. Identify the most appropriate options and tick them in the following sentences. Yes students, what they are saying that they have given you some sentence here. What you have to do, you have to read them first, then you have to tick the correct option. इनमें से आपको क्या करना है, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे they have given you in the blue color. There may be 2 options, there may be 3 options. You have to tick the correct option. Okay, so let us start. 1. Ratna was standing or had stood at the taxi stand when I met her. Ratna was standing. In this way you have to tick the correct option. Now next is I were sharing, was sharing, has shared a flat with him when we were students. I was sharing. In this way you have to select the correct option of the answer. Next, question number 3. The engine was ran even when the car had nobody in it. The engine was running even when the car had nobody in it. Next, question number 4. She washed or was washing clothes when the tap went dry. She was washing clothes when the tap went dry. Next, question number 5. I met or was meeting or had met my aunt while I was walking to school. I met my aunt while I was walking to school. Okay, next, question number 6. When two men were fought at a street corner, a policeman tried to stop them. Answer: were fighting. When two men were fighting at a street corner, a policeman tried to stop them. Okay, now question number 7. He was repairing his roof when he had a bad fall. He what you will do now? He repaired his roof when he had a bad fall. Next, question number 8. The train left was leaving an hour ago. The train left an hour ago. Question number 9. When the bell was ringing or rang or had rung, I was bathing. When the bell rang, I was bathing. In the same way, question number 10. He has learnt or learns to read when he was there. He learnt to read when he was there. Okay students, in this way you have to tick the correct most appropriate option. Okay, now let us do question B. Now let us see question B. Change the verbs given in the brackets into the simple past or the past continuous tense appropriate to the context. आपसे यहाँ पे क्या कहा जा रहा है कि आपको क्वेश्चंस दिए गए, उन क्वेश्चंस में आप देख सकते हो कि ब्रैकेट में ऑप्शंस दिए गए. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको इन खाली स्थान को ब्रैकेट्स में दिए गए आंसर्स में को सिंपल पास्ट या फिर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस सही आंसर को लिखते हुए उन्हें इन आंसर्स को इन दिए हुए ब्रैकेट में जो वर्ब्स दिए गए इनको आपको क्या करना है, सिंपल पास्ट या पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बदल कर लिखना है. ठीक है. द बॉय डैश सी अ बिग स्नेक व्हेन ही डैश cross the road. When the boy saw a big snake when he dash cross the road. Cross was crossing. Next question number 2. When they dash do. Did when they did their homework. I dash listen to music. Was listening to the music. Next question number 3. Tom ate nothing for lunch because he dash diet. Was dieting. Question number 4. When my dad dash look. When my dad was looking for his passport, he dash find his old photographs. He found his old photographs. Question number 5. My mother dash bake a cake when the light dash go out. My mother was baking a cake when the light went out. Okay. Now question number 6. The guard dash into the garden to see what the boys do. Go. The guard went into the garden to see what the boys were doing. Question number 7. Alec dash weed and Sue dash cut the grass. Weed was weeding. And Sue was cutting. And Sue was cutting the grass. Okay, now question number 8. My dog dash walk quietly when Mr. Pitt's Doberman dash attack him. My dog was walking quietly when Mr. Pitt's Doberman attacked him. Question number 9. The old man dash walk across the road when an accident dash occur. The old man was walking across the road when an accident occurred. Okay, in this way you have to write. Now question number 10. She dash dance when I dash entered the room. She was dancing when I entered the room. Okay, in this way you have to write the. आपको क्या करना है बेटा, सही ढंग से क्वेश्चन रीड करना है. क्वेश्चन रीड करके ही आपको वहाँ पर सिंपल पास्ट टेंस या पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस उपयुक्त के हिसाब से हमें वहाँ पर क्या करना है, इन शब्दों को लिखना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंटेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर C. रीड द कन्वर्सेशन गिवन बिलो एंड पुट द वर्ब्स इनटू द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ पास्ट simple or the past continuous tense. Yes students, what they are saying you, they have given you conversation, यानी जो वार्तालाप होती है एक दूसरों के बीच में, बातचीत जो होती है, वैसे आपको यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए. आपको क्या करना है, वहाँ पे कुछ वर्ब्स दिए, उन वर्ब्स को आपको या तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस और द पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बदल कर लिखना है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट नाउ. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई डैश सी Bhupali in town yesterday, but he did not see me. I saw Bhupali in town yesterday, but he did not see me. He dash looking the other way. She was looking the other way. He was in a great hurry as he dash walk quite fast. He was in a great hurry as he was walking quite fast. Okay, I have little little bit. Next question number 2. I dash Prashant and Uma at the airport a few weeks ago. I meet past form of meet met. They dash go went to Berlin and I dash go to Madrid. I was going to Madrid. We dash have a chat while we dash wait for our flights. We had a chat while we were waiting. Okay, waiting, waiting for our flights. Now question number 3. I dash cycle home yesterday when suddenly a man dash step out into the road in front of me. I was cycling home yesterday when suddenly a man stepped out into the road in front of me. I dashed go. I went quite fast, but quickly I managed to stop in time and so did not hit him. Okay students, in this way you have to fill everything in your textbook. If you are not having textbook, you have to write question A, B and C in your fair notebook with a neat and clean handwriting. Okay students, have a nice day and enjoy your studies.